Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Raydium liquidity pools with US-friendly steps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a compatible cryptocurrency wallet, like Phantom or Sollet, ready for use. Next, visit the Raydium website to access the platform. Connect your wallet to the Raydium platform by clicking the Connect Wallet button. Select the wallet you are using from the list of options shown. Once your wallet is connected, navigate to the Pools section on the Raydium homepage. In the Pools section, you will see a variety of available liquidity pools. Choose the trading pair you want to provide liquidity for, such as USDC and Ray. Once you select a pair, you will see the pool details, including current liquidity information. Enter the amount of each token you wish to deposit into the liquidity pool. Ensure you have an equal value of both tokens, as this is required to provide liquidity. Review the total amount and transaction fees before proceeding. Click on the Supply button to initiate the liquidity provision. A confirmation window will pop up, showing details of your transaction. Review the details, then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Once confirmed, you will receive Liquidity Provider (LP) tokens representing your share in the pool. You can view your liquidity in the My Liquidity section of the Raydium platform. If you wish to earn rewards, consider staking your LP tokens in the corresponding farm section. To withdraw your liquidity later, go back to the Pool section and select the appropriate pool. Click the Remove button to begin the withdrawal process. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal of your liquidity from the pool. Wait for the transaction to finalize, and your tokens will return to your wallet. Review your wallet balance to ensure you have received your original tokens. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Raydium liquidity pools with US-friendly steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.